Residents of Crooked River in Clarendon are on edge this evening following the gruesome attack in their community in which a woman was chopped to death. The man suspected of carrying out the attack is now in police custody. Anthony Lugg reports.
Sonia Ferron weeps as she recounts the harrowing killing of her friend Sharon Cole on Monday. The 61-year-old was chopped to death sometime after 5 p.m. just outside this shop in Crooked River in Clarendon. Reports are that the two were at the shop when the man accused of carrying out the gruesome act asked Miss Cole to purchase a drink. She did, after which the man said thank you. We're told Miss Cole did not respond.
At the same time, he grab her and he go outside and grab the cutlass and start to chop her merciless. I tell her, say, me cry out for help. Me cry out for help and nobody to me rescue because nobody was here. And my cousin over there, so we are called to him and we are telling him, say, stop, snake, stop. Why you chop her Sharon suffer? And we are called to him. And he not stop. And when he finished chop her, he might walk towards me and me have to run.
Residents quickly rushed to the scene in an attempt to ease the bleeding, but their efforts were futile.
And we are trying to look something to tire up in and we say, I saw him chop up Sharon. When her right hand, they are grown chop off completely. Couldn't believe what me I see.
The attack has left the community on edge and people questioning what could have led to such an act.
If you and a man attack and you tell him say over and I saw it at the end, it makes sense you don't to everybody attack to man. Believe me. I tell you the truth. Yes, you're rough man. She tell him say, me have me man already and me no want no man so we can just hang out. That's what all the time she had tell him. But him say all when he no call her, she just come up her house. And announce.
She not call him?
Yeah, he just come on his own.
In a release on Tuesday, the police indicated that the man suspected of chopping a woman to death in Clarendon is in police custody. They say he was picked up in Kingston by the St. Andrews Central Police and that investigations are ongoing. Anthony Lugg, TVJ News.